Hi there everyone, welcome back to Wayne's Garage. Just a little short update video. Now, we were going to start taking the brakes apart for the discs for the HR, but I thought I'd just wait until I had all the parts. And that I have taken one set apart just to check to see if the disc was any good. Well, the disc isn't any good, so I'm not using that disc. I'm going to go with the other set that I've got. But at this present stage in time, wherever I've put it, I'm waiting for. There's the bolts and stuff. As I found out that this seal here is not what's in the kit. What comes in the kit nowadays is this rubber seal. Well, I've ordered a set of these. They should be in hopefully sometime this week, and then I will get in and we'll do the first video unbolting all that sort of that set there. I will be running these solid discs, and that they just need to be cleaned up and scuffed up, and everything should be okay. So hopefully I can undo these. They're an Allen key one where these ones aren't. They're a star-shaped screwdriver, Phillips head I think they call it. So yeah, so that's the goer. So at the moment there won't be a video just yet on dismantling the discs and that. So that will probably come later on through this week, and that in amongst doing jobs I'll do a bit of filming. So yeah, so anyway, stay tuned, stay safe, keep your upside down, and don't forget, please like, subscribe and share. If you want a stubby call, let me know. They're $15 each plus postage, and that I do have a couple of t-shirts left, not very many, so anyway, till next time, stay safe and keep your upside down. Ciao for now.